Come test drive the 2025 Encore GX. The Buick Encore GX provides plenty of space and functionality with its compact SUV body. The Encore GX also provides plenty of safety features and a wide variety of options that you can upgrade to. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window wiper, rear window defroster. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.